Hi, I'm Edith.
Hi, I'm Sharon.
We are from PropertyBank. Today we're diving into the future of workplaces. Have you imagined how the office and industrial space would look like tomorrow?
The future is here. Right now, we are going to showcase a unit of 32,000 square feet in a high-tech manufacturing facility.
Let's go! The future of workspaces is here. So from automation to sustainability, workspace is evolving at lightning speed. Let's take a look at this workspace here, where you can find all the unique features here and very suitable for Industrial 4.0. Let's imagine the space with automation, the #1 feature that the future workspace is going to have. So from your AI-powered system, your robotics, and even down to autonomous warehouse, where actually you have like robot arms picking and then sending to the relevant departments for the outstore. And I think this is really lovely. You look at the column to column span, it's really wide and it is so efficient for your planning. So we spoke about the warehouse, and that's where products are finally delivered. You would also imagine this space where it is really great for the research people, the brain for this whole automation. And you look at here, these glass panels, which is kind of quite unseen in many of the manufacturing spaces, because from the floor to all the way to the ceiling, which of course this whole space is about 6.3 meters, and you can almost see the glass, which is already 5.5 meters high. And I call this like the Instagrammable wall, because with this glass here, with lots of natural light going into the workspace, people collect, they look into the view of the future. This is where they imagine how the products can enhance lives of human beings. So kind of motivational every day as you step into the workspace, whether you are the research department staff or you are just basically the HR admin support. Isn't it nice to step into an office full of natural light as you start your day and into the future of workspace? Now let's talk about the specifications. So you see that the flooring here is kind of almost great, except that probably you have to finish up with epoxy. And you also have seen the space that's already subdivided into two sections. One section being the workspace, the research, the lab, and then the other space being the high-tech manufacturing. Down here, we continue with the specification of this building. Look at the aircon here. And in the future of workspace, your autonomous warehouse could even run 24/7. This is because the system that's installed here for the aircon is VRV system, which you can control in your own hands how you want the operation to be done. So definitely no problem with 24/7. And on top of that, look at the high ceiling from here all the way up, 6.3 meters. And the other part that you don't see is the kind of the high power here. It's 1,400 amperes. And that's really great enough to function for most factories, high-tech manufacturing. And well, in the past, you know that for a high-tech manufacturing, we started off with just a very humble factory and then the manufacturing part of it. But today, with Industry 4.0, everything has shifted. Manufacturing facility, it has to be also aircon. And this whole thing shifted quite a fair bit. And this is what I would say is perfect for high-tech manufacturing, with the aircon specs, with the Instagrammable wall. Upgrade your space to one like that where you have seamless opportunities. So in this highly flexible space where you can design your different departments, where you actually have also this part here, which is at the tail end, the key word is functionality. So your workspace, which is in front, is more for innovation, customer experience center. But down here, this is where the warehouse is. And the warehouse that leads to this area, which is very easy for offloading of your goods. And imagine you have your high-tech machines for the move-in. This is perfect as well.
This is the cargo area. As you can see, it comes with two big cargo lifts. One is 3 tons and one is 5 tons, which is really fine in an industrial building. As this is a high-tech industrial building, this cargo lift is 5 tons with a width of 3.2 meters and a 2.4 meters high for easy access of your cargo movement. Look at the amount of space we have here in a 5 tons cargo lift, 5,000 kg. And it's so convenient for your cargo movement. This is the loading and unloading area. It comes with 5 dock levelers with 5 loading bays, and it has a ramp. And as you can see, this is the sheltered loading bay. So rain or shine, you can do your unloading and loading of your cargoes, and you will not disrupt your operations.
So we mentioned about functionality being for the space. How about the people? Sustainability is the next essence. And make sure that this is a very sustainability friendly space for the people, your customers, your people at work, and the engineers. And definitely this makes a tick. And so when we look at this space, we know that it is definitely adaptable, flexible, functional, and it marks all the checklists, and including being future ready, because the imagination can run wild.
Give us a call at 8333-1338 for a viewing.
And yes, you know that we make so much hard work to make sure that such contents are for you to rethink a future ready space. So like our contents, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. And I'm Edie.
I'm Sharon.
Bang on us for properties.